In this tutorial I'm going to quickly show you how to create a normal map from a high poly model. As you can see, I kind of mocked up a tire with some treads on that so that you can see how this will work. This, of course, is not a good tread pattern, but for this example it'll be fine, so you can see what's happening there. The way that you do that is align your objects and select your low poly, make sure the history is deleted, and then make sure the UVs are laid out as well. Right up here under lighting and shading, you'll select on transfer maps. It'll bring up this pop-up window so that you can let's go ahead and name our files so that we can make sure that we've got the right ones. Tire low poly. Okay, normal map. And our high resolution tire high poly normal map. Okay, so now that we have our low poly selected, I'm just going to go ahead and add selected, and you can see the name right up in here. For the high poly, I'm going to source meshes, and I'm going to add that as our source mesh. Now right up in here you can see the envelope that it will give you. That's going to calculate the distance between the high and the low. And here you can begin to create the depth distance between the two. I have a 0.5 on there currently, which is plenty for the sidewalls, but not enough for the surface here, to get the high poly surface in there. So what I'm going to do is select on that, and I'm going to select the faces. The shift key down, I'm just going to double click the second one, and that'll highlight the entire row. And okay, now that I have my two rows selected, I'm going to just go ahead and with my scale, the gizmo, I'm just going to scale those up beyond so that it encompasses the high resolution mesh there. And I'm going to come down here to normal, select my output maps. In this case we're doing a normal. I'm going to make a bitmap. This is right here is where you select your location for outputting that. I'm not going to include my materials. Do want tangent space, and we are going to use my common settings, and in connect output maps we'll select that with new shader selected, and in the output, my common output, this is where we select our width and height and world space, and this is where we can select our sampling quality, low, medium, and high. We'll do high for this demonstration. Gaussian. Alright, and then right down here, bake and close. We're going to go ahead and do that, and it'll take a little bit to bake, so I'll come back afterward. Alright, now you can see that we have our normal map applied. You can come right up here to the current material. You can see the bump map is on the current material. The file, you find that right here. To confirm, you can see that this is the new normal map that's been applied in the name. Then what we can do, if you do not see that applied, you can come up here to shading, make sure that hardware texturing is on, and under rendering, high quality rendering. I already have those settings applied, so you can see that we have, let's get rid of that, the normal map applied here. Now, even though it's applied, it's on incorrectly, so I'm going to have to go back and revisit my UVs. However, you can see how that will play with the lighting.